Did you know that a well-planned vegan diet can be just as effective for building muscle and losing fat as any other diet? Studies show that people on plant-based diets have lower body fat percentages and can build muscle just as effectively as those who eat meat. Today, we're diving into the ultimate vegan diet to help you gain muscle and lose fat. Welcome to today's video. If you think building muscle and burning fat on a vegan diet is impossible, think again. With more athletes and fitness experts turning vegan, it's clear that plant-based diets aren't just for losing weight, they're powerful for building lean muscle too. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about tailoring a vegan diet specifically for muscle gain and fat loss, including the best foods, nutrients, and tips for serious results. Let's get started. Let's address the big question: can you actually gain muscle and lose fat on a vegan diet? Some people argue that vegan diets lack the necessary protein and nutrients for serious muscle growth, while others worry about losing energy and strength without meat. These are real concerns, but here's the truth: with a little planning and the right foods, you can absolutely build muscle and shed fat on a vegan diet. We'll go over how to overcome these common challenges, like getting enough protein without animal products, making sure you have complete amino acids for muscle repair, and avoiding common nutrient deficiencies. By the end, you'll see that a vegan diet can fuel your body to meet all your fitness goals. Now, let's dive into the key nutrients and food sources that will help you get the most out of a vegan diet for muscle gain and fat loss. 1. Protein. First up is protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth, and on a vegan diet, you'll get it from sources like lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Aim to have a protein source with every meal, ideally around 20 to 30 grams. For example, a tofu stir-fry or a chickpea salad can pack in the protein while keeping your diet lean. 2. Carbohydrates. Next, let's talk carbs. Carbs fuel your workouts and help replenish glycogen after exercise. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes are fantastic for sustained energy and recovery. 3. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are not only great for heart health but also help keep you full, which is important when you're trying to burn fat. 4. Micronutrients. Don't forget your vitamins and minerals. Iron, B12, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids are key for muscle function and recovery. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fortified plant milks, and supplements like B12 or algae-based omega-3 can fill any gaps. Here's a sample meal plan to get you started. Breakfast: oatmeal with chia seeds, almond butter, and berries. Lunch: quinoa salad with chickpeas, mixed greens, avocado, and a tahini dressing. Dinner: tofu stir-fry with brown rice and steamed vegetable snacks, smoothie with spinach, protein powder, and banana, handful of mixed nuts. This combination of high-quality plant foods provides everything you need for energy, recovery, and growth. Now, let's look at some real success stories. Take John Venus, a vegan bodybuilder, who's gained impressive muscle mass without a single animal product. His strategy? He focuses on high-protein meals with plenty of legumes, grains, and veggies. Or Bianca Taylor, a vegan fitness coach who not only sculpted her body but also saw incredible boosts in energy and endurance after going plant-based. These individuals prove that with commitment and the right food choices, anyone can achieve their fitness goals on a vegan diet. And they're not alone. Athletes from all over are showing just how powerful vegan nutrition can be when it comes to both muscle gain and fat loss. So, to wrap up, building muscle and burning fat on a vegan diet is absolutely possible. By focusing on protein-rich plants, complex carbs, and healthy fats, you're giving your body everything it needs for strength and lean muscle. And with success stories from athletes around the world, it's clear that plant-based nutrition can fuel impressive results. Whether you're an athlete or just starting your fitness journey, a vegan diet can be a powerful tool for a healthier, stronger you. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments what vegan meals you're excited to try for your muscle gain goals. And if you're looking for more, Check out our video on easy vegan recipes for fitness or our top workout tips for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content like this.